It's IBC 2025. We're in Hall 8 and we're on the G&D booth here. And I'm joined, of course, by Jochen. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, thank you, and thanks for joining us again.
No, we last got together at ISC in Barcelona earlier this year, and you had a new relationship then with VuWall. Tell us how that's evolving.
Yeah, right. At ISE, we just were announcing that VuWall also was acquired into our group of companies, and yeah, that's evolving pretty much. We can see the first results here at this show already. It's a lot of work that we invest into the integration in between both companies. It's very, very complementary technology, but of course the bits and pieces that we are now putting together.
Yeah. So G&D are known for KVM and those sort of solutions. What do VuWall bring to the party?
Well, VuWall always have been more on the side of video processing, with video wall controlling, more of a stream-based approach, and that overall in combination now really enlarges our overall offering. And yeah, this really also helps us in the broadcast environment, yeah, supporting ideal workflows, adding to efficiency. As we all know, our broadcast industry is undergoing a major transformation, so it's really key to be most efficient as possible, to keep up. So this is where we really can support in an even broader, better way now with the combined offering.
So what are we looking at in front of us here? We've got a keyboard, I can see some logos. What's going on?
Yeah, well, that's one of the first results. On the user front end, we now have got the control interface from VuWall, the TX software, also supporting G&D in a native way. So just by the touch screen, you can switch in between different scenarios and making it even easier. So that's about the ergonomics, about the efficiency in the infrastructure that I just was talking about. So it's those bits and pieces that make it even more roundish and really help us in our overall applications.
Yeah, and is this a dedicated piece of hardware, or is this a generic keyboard with software?
That's rather generic, and the software is what it is really about. Okay. The way how to control and operate the system. The piece of hardware itself is a topic by itself, but that's rather generic.
Cool. And what are we looking at in general here across the screens?
Where we are trying to simulate a bit of a production environment at our application here at the booth. And yeah, just to really show the infrastructure and how to adapt to different workflows, to different processes, with all the flexibility that a KVM solution would bring to that.
Yeah. And what are the key themes that G&D are highlighting on the booth this year at IBC?
Well, it's really about cooperation, integration with other technologies. We've got our partners for the video wall from True Performance this time. We've got from our sister company VuWall, as we're just showing here, the TX, and we also have got the PAC solution from VuWall at the booth. From our other sister company, Tritech, we've got our personal workplace controller for the picture-in-picture multi-viewing operations. Also very capable solution in real time without any latency. And so it's really getting more and more that we can highlight here.
Yeah, and I know it's only day 2 of IBC, but are you hearing any particular challenges that your customers are facing right now?
Well, I mean, the typical challenges are really about becoming efficient, to be agile in our changing worlds here, and yeah, to find really the right infrastructure to support these processes.
And G&D can help, no doubt.
Of course,
Where can people find out more information about G&D and all the services that you offer, Jochen, if they're not at IBC?
Of course, as always, yeah, if you need further information, give us a shout. Visit our website, www.gdsys.com, or the typical social media channels, YouTube, wherever.
Jochen, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the websites, and of course, if you're at IBC, pop over to Hall 8 and chat to the team about all the solutions they can offer. And of course, for everything we're doing at the show, that's at kitplus.com.